I came from a very humble beginning. Today, I'm the General of the Armed Forces of Nigeria and the Chief of Defense Staff. It is only God that will make this possible. And God Almighty will make it possible for you too. Today, as we celebrate my goddaughter or my god-granddaughter and the family of Henry Wodu, I stand here in the honor of God to say that we will do everything possible to ensure that if he grows up in the name of God Almighty. It is indeed for me and my family. My wife is here, my daughter, and my very close friends. Since Henry fixed this date, we made it a point of prayer that nothing will come to deny us being here alive today. And God has made that possible. Please, Our Excellency is here. Let us all continue to pray for him for success. We know the challenges that we're facing as a country, and Rivers State in particular. God Almighty will see you through, sir. Because God knows your heart. You mean well for the good people of Rivers State. So please, all Christians must ensure on daily basis we cry to the Almighty for God to protect him and to make him succeed. And for God to make our country succeed and fully secured. The enemies are not sleeping. And that's why as Christians, we should never sleep. We should never assume. There are individuals that don't mean us well. If you remember from years back, some people have predicted that this country was going to pack up in 2015. This is 2024, we are strong and we're still moving forward. We will continue to go higher and higher. In Jesus' mighty name. I want to thank you for the opportunity to be here. We are greatly blessed, and to assure you of our commitment to continue to live as Christians, to be godly, and to bring the best for this country. Anything that will affect this country negatively will never succeed. And God is with us all. Always we should remember that. We should continue to pray for this country to succeed. Continue to pray for members of the armed forces. We mean well. We will continue to do well. God will see us, and the church will continue to prosper. Thank you, Daddy, for this wonderful. God bless you all.